In a bright kitchen, a curious chemist watches ordinary slime react to everyday liquids and logs, each color shift. A splash of lemon juice makes the slime glow pale yellow, then deep into gold as acids twist its pigments. A drop of vinegar sparks teal ripples while baking soda fizz adds pink undertones to the mix. The experiment shows simple mixtures can unlock hidden hues when the right balance of pH and temperature is found. By sunset, the slime becomes a color diary, revealing secret tones in playful chaos.